Hi guys, Toy Detectives here, and today we're playing with some Shopkins and some My Little Pony Fashions. Hi, I am Fluttershy, and I'm going to be your leader today for today's Twins Workshop. Come on in, everybody, and find a spot. Oh, hi, Strawberry Kisses. Come on in. It's the Strawberry Kisses twins. How you guys doing? Oh, look, it's the Nutty Butter Twins. Come on in, guys. Find a spot. Anywhere's fine. I don't care where you sit. Just come on in. I'm glad you're here. Oh, Millie Shake. Where are you guys going to sit? The Millie Shake twins. You guys are the cutest. Look at your little sparkles and your straws. Oh, I can't even tell you guys apart. Oh, Flutter Cake. Come on in. They don't seem to know where they want to sit. That's okay. Oh, the Scrub twins are here. Scrubs, come on in. Find a seat. Oh, you like the blue seats? Oh, you're right next to the teacher. I like that. Oh, okay, Flutter Cakes. You're going to sit right there in the back. That's okay as long as you pay attention. Oh, Mushy Moo. Find a spot. Come on in, guys. Oh, how are you guys doing today? Oh, hi, Silky. Find a spot. Oh, there you go. That looks like a good spot.
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness, are you all right? Be careful. These seats are so high. I tell them all the time. I just don't know about them. Oh, Pineapple Crush. Oh, you guys look so pretty with your flowers in your hair. Come on in, guys. Find a spot. Oh, that's a good spot over there. I hope you can see okay. Oh, look it. It's Grand Jam Triplets. Hey, guys, find a seat. Oh no, where are we going to sit? Look, it looks like all the identical twins are on this side of the room over here, so you should come sit by me over here. No, but where am I going to sit? I'm a triplet, and I don't match you guys. I can't sit on this side of the room. All of the fraternal twins look like they're over here. They're twins, but they're different colors. You sit with me over here. But then I'm all alone. What am I going to do? Oh, hi, Pinkie Pie. What are you doing here? Oh, my goodness, Fluttershy. You cannot put identical twins on one side of the room and fraternal twins on the other side of the room. This looks so terrible. Well, I told them they could sit wherever they want. It's not my fault. Well, now these triplets feel left out. Everybody mix up, mix up. This looks terrible, just terrible. Okay, you come sit over here, and how about you, Nutty Butters? You guys come over here, and Millie Shakes, you're going to sit over. Oh, Millie Shakes, you cannot fall again. What is going on? Oh, I just told you, be careful. I'm not held liable for this, you know. Nutty Butter, you come over here. Oh, how about Silky, you guys come over here, and we're going to put Scrubs over here. Look at that. No, it doesn't.